What if Earth was flat and we didn't know it? Imagine waking up one day and realizing Earth isn't a ball, it's a giant cosmic pizza, but no one noticed. Because in this world, the flat Earth theory is true, and it's been perfectly covered up. NASA? Just a bunch of guys with green screens and fishing wire. Astronauts? Paid actors? Gravity? A lie. What's actually holding us down? A giant turtle named Steve. Seriously. Let's go back to the beginning. In this alternate universe, Earth has always been flat. It's like a dinner plate floating in space. There's a giant ice wall around the edge, Antarctica, to keep things from falling off. Sail too far, you'll hit the wall, literally, with your face. Nobody ever questions it because all the maps are conveniently distorted. Flights take strange routes, and satellite images, they're rendered in Microsoft Paint by a guy named Carl in his mom's basement. The sun and moon, tiny light bulbs dangling over us on a rail system, powered by squirrels. Day and night are just them moving in circles. Eclipse? Oops, someone tripped over a wire. Schools teach round earth theory as a joke. Can you imagine? Living on a ball? Pfft. The idea is so ridiculous, it's used in comedy clubs. But one day, a curious stickman named Jeff drops his sandwich. It doesn't fall in a normal arc, it slides. Suspicious. He starts questioning things. Why can't we dig past 8 miles? Why do planes turn strangely? And why is there always fog near the edge of maps? Jeff builds a rocket out of duct tape, soda cans, and unreasonable confidence. He launches himself up, not into space, but to the dome. Yes, there's a giant glass dome above us. Flat Earth is basically a snow globe, and we're inside. Jeff hits the dome face first, bounces off, and lands in a government facility where he's promptly bribed with cookies to stay quiet. But he doesn't. He makes a video titled, "The Earth is Flat, and Steve the Turtle is Real." It gets 8 billion views in 3 hours. The internet explodes. The round earthers panic. Memes are born. Flat Earth merchandise sells out. Religions split. Countries collapse. GPS breaks down because, oops, it was based on a sphere. A new era begins. The Flat Age. People build edge camps near Antarctica to take selfies at the wall. Tourists hang off the sides with ropes. There's even a theme park. Edgeland, the thrill of almost falling. And Steve the Turtle? He gets his own reality show. Eventually, humans adjust. Some miss the ball, others love the pancake. But one question remains. If Earth is flat, what's underneath it? Jeff decides to find out. Armed with a spoon and a GoPro, he starts digging.